In this video we're diving into the Royal Caribbean Visa Signature Credit Card, a no-annual fee option tailored for cruise enthusiasts. Issued by Bank of America, this card offers 2 MyCruise points per dollar spent on Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises and Silver Sea purchases, and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. While the absence of an annual fee is appealing, the reward structure is somewhat limited. For instance, to earn a free cruise, you'd need to accumulate a substantial number of points, which might take considerable time unless you're a frequent cruiser. Additionally, points expire after 5 years, and there's a cap of 540,000 points per year, which could restrict long-term value. On the plus side, cardholders enjoy perks like onboard credits, cabin upgrades, and access to Visa signature benefits such as concierge services and travel protections. However, some users have noted that the card's benefits are most valuable when used exclusively for cruise-related expenses. If you're a dedicated Royal Caribbean traveler, this card might offer some worthwhile perks. But for those seeking broader travel rewards or higher earning rates on everyday spending, other credit cards might be more beneficial. Always assess your travel habits and spending patterns before applying to ensure the card aligns with your financial goals. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech and finance reviews.